a lady from Igbo land who is in Germany, yapping nonsense about Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. You see, the reason why I always talk about the US and their members and those some Igbos people who are abroad, talking nonsense, talking down on Biafran agitation, talking nonsense about Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is not because I have any personal problem with them. But the problem I have with them is that they have not understand the reason why we are where we are today in Nigeria, why our people are suffering, what is going on. They used, the problem of our people to cash out, to make money. This girl opened a channel, YouTube channel. All her content is about Simon Ekpa, what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the lie Nnamdi Kanu told, and whatever. Just watch this person. You can see the video, title of some of the video here. You can see it. Now, I just want us to understand one thing. Read the title here. Just read this one. It said, "Na Kanu lie upon lie. Simon Ekpa issued DZ. I don't know what you mean by DEZ. And they sit at home. IPOB, one IPOB, ESN. He keep on talking nonsense about the effort of Biafrans. She keep on talking nonsense about it. And she's in Germany. She is in Germany. I don't know if Germany is now the hideout of saboteurs or a slave. That is where Iwutuku to Earth is living. That is where Master Prophet is living. And this one also, this lady, is also there in Germany. Is Germany a hideout of saboteurs or useless people from Igbo land of this present age? Because during 1967, the first time Biafran war and Biafran and Nigerian, combat each other for 3 good years. Saboteurs then, the old saboteurs, they always sneak at night to do their bidding. They always hide their face when they are, sabotaging their, our people. But in this present age, they don't hide anymore. They don't hide their face. They don't even think twice, or whatever they do. They will go straight and show you, look, oh, this is who we are, and this is what you want. Like this lady here, you are seeing useless woman. You are seeing her YouTube page. Is living in Germany. She joined YouTube since 2009, as far back as 2009. And what is she doing in her channel? She also have a Facebook page and all that, because her job is to fight her people, and she is living in Germany, enjoying. She said that Simon Ekpa. Look at this. Look at this title. This title here. This video title says Simon Ekpa sit at home order, 15-19 December. Okay. Then this one, security alert in Enugu. Flashback to Nna Kanu's. Maybe Nnamdi Kanu is what she's trying to write here, because she will decode anything, because she knows she's doing nonsense. She knows she's posting nonsense. This kind of people, when each time I see their videos, it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart in the sense that what they are doing is to fight their people, and they are more dangerous than Fulani that everybody is talking about. All those people from Igbo land, those saboteurs, any of them that is fighting against the freedom of our people and the independence of our people, they are more dangerous than Fulani's people. I'm telling you gospel truth. If you listen to what is coming out from her mouth, where she is even calling Fulani and the Yoruba people and other people my people, and she believes in one Nigeria die, but she is there in Germany. These are the people that everybody need to be careful. I just want us to see her face, because people like this are more dangerous than Fulani herdsmen with the AK-47. I'm telling you, because of this kind of people, because of them is the reason why anybody can talk bad about Igbo people. Anybody can say nonsense about Igbos, and Fulani can boldly, and Nigerian government can boldly do whatever they want to do to any Igbo person. She's living there in Germany. Okay, not that she's living in Nigeria that she so much loved. Ask her where is her investment. Ask her what is she doing in Igbo land. But as long as she is in Germany, and her family members are seeing her as a breadwinner, she can now, say anything that she wants to say about the Igbo people. Now, I just want us to watch, because I just want us to watch one of her video, because she is making a point that just like what Iken Guruago and co what they're doing. You understand? See what she's saying. Like this, her video here said Iken Guruago exposition of IPOB finance, freedom, whatever. I don't want to, dabble into DOS and their own agenda and whatever that is, because they are the same. But my anger is why must someone who is from Igbo, someone who is from Biafran land, you are living in abroad, you have seen it all, you can see what people back there in Nigeria are lacking. Yes, I can condone someone who is in Nigeria, yapping nonsense about the freedom of people, reason because the person is still in darkness, have not seen the light, you have not seen the development, you don't know what you are missing. But in abroad, I can't take it from you. You're supposed to have seen how country it looks like. The freedom, the development, the benefit of living in a decent country, what it is like, and you are enjoying it there where you are, and you are there, fighting the freedom of your people back there in Nigeria. You are worse than a Lucifer. Lucifer is a saint to compare to that kind of. That is what irritates me so much. I don't know about any other person, but to me, anybody who is living in abroad and you are sabotaging the freedom of Biafra and freedom of remove Biafra in this picture. Entire Africa now, you have never been abroad and you are in Africa. I'm just understand what I'm trying to say, because some people have this kind of hatred about the word Biafra. You have that hatred because of one or two demons in you. But let's also not agree about it. I agree with you now. Okay, let's remove Biafra. Okay, you are in Africa. You know what Africa looks like. You are in Igbo land, in Nigeria. You know what it means to live in that kind of environment, and you find yourself in abroad where everything is working, healthcare system, constant power supply, good road, you can take loan, everything is working perfectly. Just follow the system, it's working perfectly, and you are there with your own, not only you, your own family, your children are having, in abroad. In Germany, where this woman is, they have free education. As long as you are in there in Germany, you have your documents. They have good medical care system, where they can go and take your medication and for free, everything. And you are there fighting whoever that is trying to make people living in Africa, Nigeria, in Igbo land to live a better life. Can you just tell me what has Mazi Nnamdi Kanu done? What is his offense for saying that Nigerian and Igbo people, everybody should, the way of living and everything that going on there should change? So you don't want it probably because in your family everybody is worshiping you like God because you're in Germany. Anybody that is abroad, I keep on saying it, that is fighting against the freedom of our people, you are worse than a Lucifer. Worse than a Lucifer. A Lucifer is just a saint to compare who the person is. It breaks my heart to see this kind of person, and is a woman who's supposed to know better. Is a woman that's supposed to know better, but they will do everything to make money. You can see the view that she's having in her channel: 40, 79, 59, 31. This is 4 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, 65. This one is 227. Then this one is 41. You see, you keep on having it. Anything that happens in Nigeria, bam, she will bring it on social media. Do. This round face useless buffoon, talking nonsense, talking absolutely nonsense. mocking everybody. Let's hear her. Let's hear her. Just listen to this idiot trying to analyze the recent broadcast of Prime Minister. Just listen and see how this idiot working with US are trying to analyze it. Just watch. These are demons in human form.
Hereby, to announce the following civil demonstration and civil disobedience in protest against Nigeria involvement in the ongoing war in Israel as an Islamic state. It was boldly written on the gov.uk that Islamic state, and Nigeria is one of them officially. We are not part of Islamic state.
You can hear her talking on the background. Okay. Useless woman. These are the people that you. I don't want to comment this. Let me just overload, because this kind of person shouldn't be in existence. I'm telling you gospel truth. This kind of person, because they are the storming block that we are having. So if you are from the north or maybe from Yoruba land, you come across this idiot channel, what will be going to your mind? Of course, you know that this one is saying this. You will be happy with her, selling her on. Just listen.
You can never support anything that goes against the interest of Israel. The Nigeria involvement is not in line with the Biafra people.
Keep in mind, Nigeria has, when it comes to international affairs, so far, the Nigerian state has remained neutral. Nigerian state, the people handling Nigerian state so far, they are.
So you see her trying to defend Nigeria. So she's not defending Nigeria from Islamic movement, which everybody can see. If this idiot saying that Nigeria have remained neutral, Buhari went to UN and was, supporting Palestine publicly. Buhari did it during his own past tenure, where he robbed Nigeria and looted everything and decided to go. Buhari did it. United Nations. Buhari was throwing support to Palestine publicly. That one happened just a few years ago.
Managed to keep it neutral. You don't see
Nigeria
managed to keep it neutral on their head.
They managed to keep it neutral. It's a lie. You are the liar.
According to their religion, according to their beliefs, but the Nigerian state itself has not unilaterally aligned with any persuasion so far.
You see this idiot? Just yesterday, it is in the news that Nigerian government are now changing, Christians' pilgrimage to Israel, to Turkey. Just yesterday, and this idiot is here posting 7 hours ago, telling you that Nigerians have never unilaterally supported any idiot. These are the people that are the major problem of Igbo people.
So keep that in mind, because again, according to your Onyendufu, Umubingos, they told you that you people love lies. So he's playing on your mind. Just for your information, the Nigerian state is secular.
You know what it means to be a practicing secular state. You're practicing secular in terms of what? Religion of Nigeria is one-sided. Because the government have take side to Muslim. Today you are having vice president a Muslim, vice a Muslim. Go and check every government offices in Abuja. Who is the leader? Even when Wike was appointed federal territory, or whatever they call it in Nigeria, Northerners were kicking against it because he's a Muslim. Because he's not a Muslim, rather, they were kicking against him to be the minister of Abuja. So this woman is here telling you that. Just listen to what she's saying. I am very, very angry. Please, I am very, very angry. Don't mind my tone of words, because I don't like to see this. It breaks my heart seeing our people, lying to one another just to push one agenda or whatever.
You cannot be imposing your religion, your ideology on us. And then you go and start fighting Israel and supporting the against interests of Israel in the name of Nigeria. That is completely unacceptable. And this night we are making it very clear that Nigeria cannot speak for the Biafra people. For forcefully trying to Islamize us, the Biafra government is announcing a complete 4 days lockdown.
Are you hearing it? Because Nigeria government is doing anything. That is why the people in Ali will have to suffer lockdown, like completely closure everywhere in this December. And he's doing it from abroad. And there are so many of them abroad. They are going.
Ask her, where is she? Where are you? Where are you? Okoko, where are you? You are in Abuja or you are in Lagos? No, you are not. You are in there in Germany, hiding with your husband if you have any, talking nonsense with your round face that look like French masquerade, talking nonsense about PM, about Biafra. This woman knows nothing, because once they're on their camera and said they start talking nonsense. Even if you want to criticize objectively. You don't talk because you have mouth. You can move your lips. You don't talk because you can move your. I will end her video here because this is just one of her videos. I just decided to play the one of 7 hours. I've not played it before. I just read the title and say, okay, let me hear what she have to say in this one. Because this is not the video that brought me to her channel. But immediately I saw that she posted 7 hours ago. I said, okay, let's play it. And the video is 5 minutes plus. I have played it now 2 minutes 10 seconds. But the video is 5 minutes 41 seconds. I will end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment. Tell me what you think about this kind of people that we have. Because these are the core enemy of your freedom. The core enemies of your... Forget about Simon Ekpa. Forget about Biafra. Forget about anything. But you that is living... You that are from Southeast. This kind of people is more dangerous than Fulani. Because without them, there will be no Fulani. I'm telling you gospel truth. They are the ones that are paving way for the enemy to penetrate in. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you on my next video. Bye-bye for now.